Leveling surveyors play a crucial role in the construction industry, especially in a rapidly developing city like Jaewar Noida. Their expertise lies in accurately measuring and determining the elevation of land surfaces, which is essential for designing and constructing buildings, roads, and infrastructure. The work of leveling surveyors involves using specialized equipment and techniques to establish benchmarks and reference points, ensuring that the construction project is built on a level surface. In Jaewar Noida, the demand for leveling surveyors is particularly high due to the rapid urbanization and development taking place in the city. With numerous residential and commercial projects underway, it is essential to have skilled professionals who can accurately measure and assess the land's elevation. Leveling surveyors in Jaewar Noida are responsible for conducting surveys and creating detailed reports that help architects and engineers in their design process. One of the key aspects of leveling surveyors' work in Jaewar Noida is the use of SCON design. SCON design refers to the creation of detailed maps and plans that showcase the terrain's elevation and contours. By using advanced software and equipment, leveling surveyors can accurately depict the land's topography, including any slopes or changes in elevation. This information is vital for architects and engineers to design structures that are safe and functional. The expertise of leveling surveyors in Jaewar Noida extends beyond just measuring land elevation. By analyzing the terrain's slope and contours, leveling surveyors can determine the best locations for drains and stormwater management systems. With their knowledge and skills, they contribute to the safe and efficient construction of buildings, roads, and infrastructure in Jaewar Noida. Their work ensures that the city's development progresses smoothly while adhering to proper engineering standards. In particular, in a city like Jaewar Noida that is developing quickly, leveling surveyors are essential to the construction business. They specialize in precisely measuring and figuring out the elevation of land surfaces, which is important for designing and constructing buildings, roads, and infrastructure. To ensure that the building project is built on a level surface, leveling surveyors' work involves employing specific tools and methods to set up benchmarks and reference points. Due to the city's fast urbanization and growth, leveling surveyors are in particularly high demand in Jaewar Noida. With so many residential and commercial developments in the works, it is crucial to have qualified experts who can precisely measure and evaluate the land's elevation. Jaewar Noida's leveling surveyors are in charge. Leveling surveyors are essential in the construction sector, particularly in a city like Jaewar Noida that is developing quickly. Their area of expertise is in precisely measuring and figuring out the elevation of land surfaces, which is necessary for designing and constructing structures like buildings, roads, and infrastructure. Leveling surveyors' work entails setting up benchmarks and reference points using specific tools and methods to make sure the building project is built